My name is David Chides. I'm the manager of business development for the Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway, located in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And as you can see, the weather is absolutely stunning. The sun is out, the margaritas are flowing. It is another absolutely perfect day here in paradise. Since I was a kid, one of the things I always love to do is to please people. I have worked for this beautiful hotel for over 14 years now. I really enjoy seeing the happy faces and the smiles. I believe a wedding is the most important day in one's life. The wedding design team embodies all of those attributes and are here to ensure that your wedding is absolutely perfect. The Villa Premier Boutique Hotel is providing the honeymoon stay for the winner of the Dream Wedding Giveaway. A 3-night, 4-day, all-inclusive stay in a beautiful suite at the Villa Premier Boutique Hotel. This resort offers 3 amazing gourmet restaurants to choose from, 24-hour room service, and we offer a wide collection of premium and international beverages as well. The resort is located just steps from the beautiful Malecon and beautiful downtown Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. For more information and to enter the Dream Wedding Giveaway, you can go to harweldenmansion.com/dreamwedding.